Hey guys, I'm doing another video on my 50cc 2-stroke, it's actually 49cc 2-stroke engine on how to clean your carburetor out, because it doesn't go the best, so I thought we'll clean it out and see what we can do. So I'll leave it all the way to my brother Lucan to do the video while I do the hard part of this video. So hey Luke, how's it going? Started. Yeah. And you can check out his YouTube channel, it's just Lucan Rob. So
LucanRobb.
So I hope you enjoy. Oh, I left my spanners in the tractor.
Has Dad got the tractor?
No.
Where is it?
Put
that over from.
The one down, just get all of them. So
The blue one.
it's around there. So I left my screwdrivers in the Landini 85 Blizzard. So my brother's just running to get them. So I'll start by bloody giving this a blow up around the top. We're not going to take the whole carburetor off. I'm just going to clean out like the air cleaner and stuff. So this is what you do if your engine's not running. So if the engine won't start, it's possibly your carburetor needs a good clean out. So yeah. And sometimes it can be your exhaust, but most of the time it's the carburetor. Like I've had problems with my MS 170 steel frame because it won't go. So you got to blow it out with the air compressor. So most of the time you can soak your air cleaner in petrol, but I don't really do that. Today I don't have petrol, so I'll just use my air compressor. So leave it all the way to Lucan. Once again.
My finger went over the camera side.
That's the old Hilux. Okay. Yeah. So you just start by undoing the screws out the back of your air cleaner. So yeah. Now that I've got the screws undone, you simply blow out the back of your carburetor. And you see I've got the accelerator cord out. That was just the air compressor, sorry. And if that isn't the problem, it's more likely to be your spark plug, which you can just buy a new one. It has got the numbers on it. But my number on my spark plug is a ZBM6A. So yeah. I will be doing a video of putting this thing back together. Once you've done that, you can undo your bowl, which is at the bottom of the carburetor. So you just undo these two screws. But when you put it back together, just make sure your bloody seal is around the right way, and you're not putting it on the wrong way. So yeah, this is how it's done, son. You're obviously pushing that there. Don't push it. So, and with me, I'm gonna have to turn a screw on the carburetor to keep my revs up a bit, because mine's dies when it shouldn't. So, and yeah, mine keeps overflowing, and it will be filled up with petrol. So you just want to simply tip that out. So screw down there. And don't lose any screws, because you will need them. So you've got a thing that should be round and white in the bowl, and it's called a float. So you simply need that, or else it'll just overflow every time. Oh, and one thing I didn't do, guys, was blow my air cleaner out, which I'll do after.
Because you don't want to lose those screws.
But anyway, I'll get my brother to put some more hose out on the air compressor because it's not long enough. Yeah, that's good enough, thank you. So, I'm going to turn my tap on. It's fucking a nuisance to get to sometimes. Just make sure nothing falls out from under the bowl. And if you lose anything, that's unlucky. It's easier to do on a bench. I'm just doing it on a trailer at the moment. And my old man's fixing the Lolux. So that's that. Now I can put the bowl back on. See, when you put it back together, you want to line it up nicely. Or, if you don't want to undo the bowl, there is a screw at the bottom of the bowl. That one there. You just unscrew that and let petrol flow through. That can also help. But today I just wanted to demonstrate how to do the easy part, the harder part. I'm not taking cheapskates. And I've got to put the bowl back in now. Simply, which is easy. Just chuck your white thing back in, don't forget that. Then you line your seal up.
Wait, don't you put it in the right way? Is there a way to put it in?
Yep, I know, there is. But I can't be bothered shutting that today, so one screw at a time, so you don't drop any. And simply. So that's what happens if you haven't got if your engine's not going. It can be that, but there's also other problems that you can get. But I don't know what the brand is of this motor for some reason. But so I got it without any numbers on it. I got the second hand just the other day on a frame and stuff, but I just thought, well, good, the carburetor and stuff a good clean out so it goes good, and hope for the best, I guess.
Oh, where's that screw what you had just before what we found?
Soft this. Soft this. See, or flip the engine over so it's...
That would be easy to screw it in anyway.
Yeah, it looks like it's a fairly new engine. But I will be doing a video on how to
put a whole
ride these puppies. Sorry guys if you can't see it a second.
I'll come around the other side.
I'm simply putting the screws back into my bowl, but I haven't lined it up properly. So let's just leg that other one. Medium, so for some reason it's not working.
Oh, is that the wrong screw? Because there's two of them down there.
It's the right one, it's just that it's not lined up. So I'll probably do another video in a few days' time once I've got the frame all migged all back up and the whole lot. So now that we've got them tight, I just got to fill the air compressor up a bit more so I can do the video on how to do the other part. So yeah. So once you do that, yeah. Now that I've filled the air compressor up, you pop that out. There should be a filter. Pull that out. Give that a quick blow. That isn't all that dirty, but it's good just to give it a blow out because it's pretty wet. And then you blow this bit out. Always do it away from yourself. Should be wearing safety goggles. But today I don't have any. And yeah, so once you do that, you just bloody put it all back together. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos. Now that I'm done, thank you for watching. Catch you later. Bye.